The Daiquiri. It's simple, straightforward and reliable. It's like that friend you never bother calling back unless you have a major crisis or need help moving house. Here are the ingredients. Let's kick this off. Chill some ice in a coupe glass. Also add water to speed up the cooling process. This is a drink anybody who really drinks cocktails should know, especially if you love rum. Also, what makes it great is it's cost effective, great for all gatherings and seasons. For me, I think this is a good drink for anyone who's starting out. Add to the shaker 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of any Spanish Style rum. Today I'm using Havana Club 3 years. Now the origin of this drink. This is not created by the obnoxious, louty and ear-splittingly loud characters that you find on cruise ships and in all-inclusive resorts. No offence if you frequent those places though. This is another Cuban drink which traces its roots to the city Santiago de Cuba. The drink was apparently invented by a mining engineer with the unfortunate name of Jennings Cox. This drink found popularity in World War II with the rationing of other spirits and the availability of rum produced in the Caribbean. Add 1 ounce, 30 ml of fresh lime juice. Then lastly, add half an ounce, that's 15 ml of simple syrup. Add some ice to the shaker and shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Double strain into the glass. Add 2 to 3 drops of your saline solution. Garnish with a lime wheel. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.